Accounting for one of the top 4 most common types of brain diseases, frontotemporal dementia has a 50% chance of affecting you if you have a parent who had the condition. The Alzheimer's Society highlighted 3 genetic mutations that cause this type of dementia. 2 of the mutations affect the proteins tau, MAPT, and progranulin, GRN. The other mutated gene is C9orf72, otherwise known as Pick's disease. This type of dementia occurs when the frontal and temporal lobes in the brain are damaged. These areas of the brain control behavior, emotional responses and language. Changes in personality are expected, with the devastating disease more likely affecting people under the age of 65. Abnormal clumps of protein, specifically tau, build up in nerve cells within the brain, clumping together. After a while, these clumps of tau cause the nerve cells within the brain to die. We will use your email address only for sending you newsletters. Please see our privacy notice for details of your data protection rights. The progression of frontotemporal dementia differs from person to person, but eventually the disease does get worse. In the early stages, a person may begin to lose motivation to do things they used to enjoy. Another troubling sign is when someone is unable to focus on tasks and become easily distracted. People with this type of dementia may find it difficult to plan, organize and make decisions, likely appearing at work or with managing money, at first. As the disease progresses, those with Pick's disease can lose their inhibitions. Socially inappropriate behavior may ensue, such as making sexual gestures in public. In addition, the person may lose the ability to understand what others might be thinking or feeling. This may appear as being inconsiderate of the needs of others, losing interest in social activities, or being less friendly. Repetitive and obsessive behaviors might become commonplace, such as repeating phrases or gestures. Pick's disease can cause someone to no longer be aware when to stop eating, drinking alcohol or smoking. Most people with behavioral variant frontotemporal dementia are not fully aware of their symptoms, said the Alzheimer's Society. Instead, these changes are often first noticed by the people who are close to them. If you'd like to access support regarding a loved one with this disease, please call Alzheimer's Society support line on 0333 150 3456. As Pick's disease progresses into the later stages, a person may develop delusions or hallucinations. Eventually, the person will be unable to recognize family and friends, which can be heartbreaking for all involved. At present, there is no cure for Pick's disease and the progression of the disease can't be slowed down.